Daddy. Daddy.
Adak, what is it?
Daddy. Did you really look into Mazier's file before employing him here? Because honestly, I feel that young man is on a mission in this palace.
What's the fuss all about?
You know, I was just about stepping out and then I saw Mazier and Mandy sitting in a very compromising position. They were drinking and, about kissing. Not until I stepped in and saved the situation.
I'll tell Mandy that the next person I want to see is her.
Okay. I'll do just that. Mandy.
So, back to our gist.
I'm sorry, ma. I have to go back to my duty post now.
No, Missy, you were telling me something really sweet before she
I was
distracted.
telling...
Mandy!
Yeah.
Father wants to see you right now.
Oh,
Right now.
Tell him I'm...
Oh, yeah, it's okay. I got it. Okay, I got it. Of course, fool.
Are you sure she's okay?
She is.
Okay, see you later.
But we are not done.
No, we are done.
Remember, we are about...
We are done.
Don't tell me you're
We
running
are
away from
done.
my
We are
sister.
done. We are done.
Oh, Adako, you cursed this.
Are you not supposed to come here with Mandy?
Mandy said she doesn't want to see your face.
Excuse me? What do you mean?
I mean, you sound like you don't know Mandy. She's saucy. She says she doesn't want to see you.
It's strange.
Dad? You sent for me.
What was that wacko engagement with Messiah Oliver? Can you deny that you were not having good time with him out there at Purpose Watch?
I beg your pardon. Dad, I am shocked at what you just said. Look at me. Take a proper look at me, Dad. I am still your daughter. I haven't changed. Oh, I see. It is you. You lied against me. What did you tell Dad this time?
Okay.
What lies did you feed him with? Oh, I see. What lie did you feed Daddy with? What did you tell him?
Fine. If this was all about Adako painting pictures, tell me exactly what happened there.
Yeah, come on. Spill, tell Daddy. Come on. I overheard Adako shouting at Mixie over a girl that visited. So I decided to find out what really happened. Called him, offered him a seat and a glass of juice I was sipping. As he was about to explain things to me, Adako immediately barged in and she started shouting, raining insults on us, Dad. Funnily enough, we didn't even utter a word to her. Adako, please tell me, what lies did you feed Daddy with?
So what about the time he tried to kiss you?
Kiss me?
And you sat there smiling so sheepishly. Now come on, tell Daddy.
Kiss me? How possible is that? Stop lying!
Okay, but this is
So you
enough.
mean I
Enough
don't know
of
what I
this.
saw?
Shut up!
May heavens bear me witness that such a thing never occurred!
Shut up!
Daddy, I'm not lying.
Man, listen to me, Adako. Next time you pull a stunt like this, I'll put a grey matter in your skull. Your presence disgusts me. Now get out of my sight. Get out of my sight now!
Goodness. That is a song. Hell, you're so manipulative. I hate you.
Sit down.
How did you get into this palace? Did you sneak in?
No.
Where's the security? Where are they? Oh, you snuck in.
No, my princess.
No what? What is this you're carrying?
Food. I brought it for my man.
Oh, I see. Did he tell you he's starving?
No, my princess.
That the royal household doesn't feed him well?
No, my
That we lack chefs?
No.
So what the hell is this? Starving. Did you tell her that you're starving?
What happened?
Exactly. What is going on? Why would she bring you food?
Come with me.
My love, I don't like the way that girl talks to me. If she tries it next time, I will forget who she is and insult her. After all, the least she can do is report to her father. And I will report to my own father too.
It's okay. Just ignore her. I promise to handle everything. Please, I'm sorry about the way she spoke to you. I know how bad you feel, but just give me some time to handle this matter, okay? Alright?
Okay, if you say so, no problem.
Thank you for the food.
You're welcome.
I appreciate this.
You're welcome.
Let me get some water.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey. Come here. How dare you walk out on me when I'm talking to you? Are you sick or something? Have you no manners? No, how dare you do that to me? Are you mad? Huh? Oh, you have nothing to say? You can't say you're sorry? Huh? Now you listen to me. Let this never repeat itself next time. Fool.
If you call him Honey Simbali, a jump from a good father, she not said from a lovely father, she not see your face. She's always bitter, she not said she not see your face. She's ready to fight. She's ready to kill. She's ready to destroy anybody. She's ready to fight. She's ready to kill. She's ready to destroy anybody. My father's company. What are you fighting for? Mother, no one soul. This is war. This is fight. Ichon kokasi. Ichon piakasi. Mweseri kopaishi.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Thank you. Please, could you check my car? I noticed a noise from the engine, though I managed to drive it home safely.
Oh, okay. When I'm done eating, I'll check on it.
Okay, here is my key.
Alright, thank you.
Did you buy food from outside when we have enough in the palace?
Oh, you mean the food? Oh, no, my girlfriend made it and brought it to me.
Your girlfriend?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Can I have a taste of it?
This one?
Mm-hmm. Your girlfriend's food.
My princess, this is not the type of food they make here. So you're not going to enjoy it.
Allow me be the judge.
No, there's salt, there's pepper. You won't like it. It's not...
Maisie, let me have the food, please.
It's not for people like you. There's too much salt, there's too much pepper. you will not like
I'll
it.
be fine.
So there's no point tasting it.
Daddy, you need to see. Daddy, you need to come see for yourself.
What is it?
You need to come see for yourself.
What is it that you want me to say that makes you climbing down the staircase like a wildfire, shouting my name?
Okay, fine, I'll tell you. I was in my room, and when I looked out the window, I saw...
Your girlfriend made this.
Yes.
Wow.
What happened?
She cooks really nice. The food is delicious.
My princess, there's food in the palace.
I know. Let me eat more, please.
And please don't finish it.
This is nice. Wow. You know, you are lucky to have a woman like this. Open it. I want to eat more.
What is going on here? Why are your faces like this?
By the way, Adako, why did you not come to work today? For the record, this is the 7th time you've been absent from work. With this attitude of yours, do you expect me to pay you salary at the end of the month?
You're very stupid. You must be very unreasonable to ask me such a question. Are you okay? Are you mad? No, is something off your head? Oh, wait. What are you trying to play here? You're trying to cover up? Is that it? Look at you. How? She's trying to cover up.
Excuse me. Cover up for what? Did I do something wrong? Dad? What is she talking about?
Mandy, this about 25 minutes you drove into the compound into oblivion. What was that?
Oh, that, Father. As I was returning from work, I heard some sounds from my engine, so I called Mrs.'s attention to it. So I was doing that, I saw him eating, so I decided to have a taste of the food, which tasted really nice. Adako, need I remind you that your absence is causing a great problem to the establishment? And if this continues, I may be pushed to deduct 50% of your salary.
Oh, please shut up, you brats. What did you just say? You know what? You spill rubbish with so much pride. That's your problem. That you do what? See, let me tell you, if you as much as deduct 1%, like this, a dime from my salary, that day, if I don't kill you, just know that my name is Zelda.
But did you hear?
And I will do it. I will do it.
Kill me because of money.
I said it's enough!
That is not the right thing.
It is not
Enough of that! Adak,
Did you just hear
I
the
said
rubbish
no
that's
more comment
coming
from you.
my mouth?
No comment. Mandy, you've given me an analytical insight. That's fine. The only thing I want you to do is to be careful. That's all.
Thank you, Dad. At least if you're going to be absent from work, you should give a good reason. And that must be approved by me. Right? Try me, Dad. I need to freshen up.
Daddy, I'll beat this girl. Daddy, you are the one enabling this girl. You're enabling her. You're enabling this brat. She's my junior sister. You're the one enabling her. I'll beat her up right now and nothing is gonna happen.
She is still the managing director of my establishment, and you must play to the ethics of that company. And I want you to apologize.
over my dead body.
You must apologize to her for being absent.
Daddy, I won't! She's my younger sister, I won't!
You don't do that.
The what?
A sack letter from me. And I mean it.
You what?
I sent for you because I did not want to refer this before your elder sister. And in the truth, what is going on between you and that boy?
Daddy, I am surprised and a bit confused by your question. I have nothing in common with him. I am only being kind to him because he's part of this family. Ever since he started working on my car, I haven't experienced the stress of running out for help. That's it.
Well, I believe you now. I believe you.
Daddy, you make me laugh at times.
Wasn't that not easy?
Truly? Maisie and I have nothing in common. We have nothing going on. He's just a kind person that I occasionally have conversations with.
It's okay. You can get a glass and drink.
Thank you.
Baba, you called me.
Gabriel, that's it. Joma.
Sir?
Something has been bothering me for a long time now. And I said, let me ask you. How about that boy, that your boyfriend? Since he moved into the palace, I have not seen or heard anything from him. And you, Joma, have not told me anything about your marriage plans with him. Is he no longer interested in the marriage? Because that thing you and that boy, I'm not seeing it as a marriage. I'm only seeing it as a distraction.
I don't like to say you're saying it. I don't like it, please.
Ijom, I'm not saying this thing for you to like it. If you don't like it, go and hit your head on the wall. What is the problem? And you have not answered my question. Is that boy still interested in you or not? That's my question. You don't like it?
Yes, Papa, he's still interested. He's still gathering money. Once he's done, you will see him.
He's still gathering money. Redaking.com. He's still gathering money from Redaking.com. See, let me tell you, John, I'm only talking to you like this because you are my daughter and I want the best for you. I'm not seeing that marriage with that boy. I'm not seeing it work. See, let me tell you something. That my friend Eboka, I have been telling you about this, my friend Eboka, and you know him. He saw me 2 days ago. And he asked me if you have changed your mind so that he will send for his son, the one that stays abroad, to come and perform your marriage right and take you to abroad. Don't you want to go to abroad? Eh?
Please, sir. I'm not suffering. Eh? I am not suffering. That a Meze does not have money today does not mean that you will not have tomorrow. I don't like this thing you're doing. I would appreciate if you stop stressing yourself with this issue. Okay? Papa, Meze or nobody. Thank you, sir.
Eh? If there's no Meze, there's nobody. Let's see, if there's no Meze, there's somebody. Eh? What's wrong with you? If there's no Messiah, there's somebody. Eboka's son abroad is somebody. Don't worry, I'm watching you. If there's no Messiah, there's somebody. I reject it. I reject it. If there's no Messiah, there's somebody. Atalonge.
Since Messiah was employed to enter this palace to work for us, I have noticed something that is so enticing. Feasibility has it that both of you will make good acquaintance. I've watched over time chit-chats over laughter, smiles, and good memories built together. Very synthetic. I am enthused, I must say.
Daddy, I am lost. What are you saying?
What I am saying exactly is that I want Monsieur and you to go to the Isle.
What?
Yes.
No, Daddy. I want you to know that I am committed to a man who lives abroad. And we are planning to get married.
Mandy, I want you to take a look at this kingdom and consider your father's plight. The man you talked about that lives in the United States of America, if he finally marries you, he will definitely take you back to America.
Daddy.
My company, my kingdom, everything about me will be gone. Of course, you know your elder sister, Adako. Considering your sister's psychological makeup, one would not hope anything good coming from her. Even if she brings any man for the family, of course they say birds of the same feather flocks together. Monsieur is from this kingdom. If you marry Monsieur, then my dynasty, my kingdom, my company will be intact.
Father, the destiny of this great kingdom does not rest on my shoulders. I have an elder sister. She can do that, not me.
It is anybody that comes from this kingdom and asks for your hand in marriage that will inherit everything that I've built for. I need a man from this kingdom, and that person suitable for the picture I'm looking at is Monsieur. You see, I don't have a male child. You are the only male child I'm seeing.
Daddy, are you aware Meze is already in a relationship with someone he truly loves? I believe he intends to marry her. Daddy, please, do not push me. I can't come in between people who love themselves. I can't. That girl is helpless and poor already. Daddy, let's find another way, please.
Mommy, I want you to do the relaxing. Do you know that you're a hard-working man?
Your Majesty, thank you, sir.
How will you feel one day if I make you the MD of my establishment?
Your Majesty, that's impossible, sir. But thank you, sir.
Everything is possible. I know you'll be feeling that you've not been in the process of cooperative business before. But not to worry. Not to worry.
But Your Majesty.
Yes.
I don't know anything about business, sir.
I know. My daughter, Princess Mandy, who is currently the MD of the establishment, will help you with everything you need to know.
Your Majesty, are you serious?
I am serious.
But Your Majesty, I don't know anything about business. Oh.
I just want both of you to work as one family.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Sometimes if I not no na this is one your destiny can never
Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Where
Where can I start?
Very soon.
Sometimes if I not
Thank you, sir.
no na this is one your destiny can never be denied. Sometimes if I not no na this is one your destiny can never be denied. Sometimes if I not no na this is one your destiny can never be denied. I can't believe this is possible in this life. I forgot my work with Isi wenza defu namba mancha. I can't believe this is possible in this life. Mana forgot my work with Isi wenza defu namba mancha. I can't believe this is possible in this life. I've seen work with Isi wenza defu namba mancha.
God forbid. I cannot do that. Never.
Love was sweeter. Oh, where if I love us, upon say man begin get money, we still they fight for love. Love was sweeter. Oh, where if I love us, upon say man begin get money, we still they fight for love. Nyago bigi, nyamo bigi, ondali kwetia onaso. Nyamo bigi, nyago bigi, ondali kwetia onaso. Love is everything. Love is a peace of mind. Everybody they hustle for this love because money no fit buy am. Everybody they hustle for this love because money no fit buy am. Money no fit buy am at all because money no fit.
I want you to answer me truthfully. Are you really in love with Mize?
My princess, are you the one asking me this? See, Maisie and I love each other so much. We have really come a very long way that it seems like it's impossible to leave each other. Like, as it is, anything that will make Maisie and I not to get married should better come and take my life because that is suicide mission.
Impressive to hear. So, has he paid your dowry?
Well, not yet, but soon he will come and do that.
I hope you don't mind me saying this. Since he hasn't paid your bride price yet, don't you think you are taking things a bit too far? You know, as a woman, I would advise you slow down and, be more careful. Because Jose may not really marry you. What if he ends up marrying someone else? How would you handle that?
No. My princess, my Mize will never try such with me. No, he won't do that.
I see you have so much trust in him. I like that, honestly. I believe we're done with this conversation. Thank you for your time.
My princess, you shouldn't be thanking me. I should be the one thanking you for allowing me sit and talk with you. It is an honor. I should be on my way now.
Nice. You should.
Thank you, my princess.
I observed some creeps of uneasiness the day I told you that you and my daughter are going to work as one family. I owe you that explanation. Ever since you came here working as one of my domestic servants, I have seen that you need some kind of help because you want to survive. I started fashioning such feeling as to help you and make you proud. If only you will marry my daughter Mandy.
Sir.
Aside being a king, I own one of the best conglomerates and agro-allies in West Africa. And being a man who worked all his life, when I see someone who is serious, I will quickly observe and acknowledge the person. And I want to say that you have fit that situation and position. I want you to understand that I need someone who is on the same wavelength with me, somebody who will inherit my place. I want to let you know that my princess, Mandy, had some suitors coming from America, but I need a swift. I want that young man to marry your fiancée while you in town will marry Mandy, because I need a man from this kingdom, like I said, who will inherit everything that I've worked for.
Your Majesty, I think I understand you perfectly well, but the challenge is that girl has turned down a lot of marriage proposals for my sake. I don't think convincing her will be possible.
Monsieur, now that you know what I want you to go have your quiet time. Think about it and get back to me. Yes, I am professional of the blood through, and I know that we have submitted a whole lot of tons to a Chinese company and it was approved. I don't know what is causing this further delay. Okay, give me a second, please. Yes, Adak, what is it?
Father, why do you hate me so much? So much. To the point that you want to marry out my sister to that commoner, Mezier, and then hand over the company to them. That lunatic, that douchebag, that dumpster, that driver, palace driver, a mechanic. God. Why? Am I actually your daughter? Why do you hate me with so much passion? Why? You know what? It's fine. It's okay. You can do as you want. But you know what? I'm interested in that guy. I want to marry him. I don't know how you're going to go about it, but you have to do the needful. That guy is mine.
Adako, if you listen to yourself clearly, you will agree with me that you are quite confused. A minute ago, you referred to Mezier as douchebag, dumpster, common palace driver, mechanic. And the same Mezier you are telling me that you are interested in for marriage. Hold on a second. Who is a douchebag? Dumpster? A commoner? Mezier you referred to? Or you who wants to marry all the aforementioned? I was busy making an important call when you barged in. I need that space right now. Now get out of my house!
But I see what you're doing. I see it. You enjoy the fight between myself and my kid sister. First you instigated it regarding the company, and now this concerning the marriage. Oh, I see. This is a marriage war, and it's not going to end. This is going to be a do or die affair. It's either he marries me or no one. Absolutely no one.
If you call him Nobody.
Nobody.
She knows it. From a lovely father, she never see your face. She's always bitter. She knows it.
My love, what is wrong with you? I don't like this your mood. Or are you not happy seeing me here?
Of course I'm happy to see you. I'm just having a bad day, but I'll be fine. I'll be okay.
Really?
Yes, I'll be fine.
Are you sure?
I am sure. Come, let me see you off.
How are you? You smell so nice. What fragrance are you wearing?
Huh?
What fragrance are you wearing? I like it. I mean, suits you. Whatever. I don't want to know, but I like it. Where are you headed?
I'm trying to see her off.
Who? Oh, okay. Okay, so I'll see you around, huh?
Okay.
And since when did you both become so close to the extent of hugging each other?
Huh?
I mean, what is all that? What is going on?
I didn't hug her, she was the one that hugged me.
I know, but...
But what?
What is it with the whole familiarity? I don't understand.
Should I call her so we can ask?
I don't know.
Can I call her so that you ask her?
I don't know.
Let's go. Did you see me hugging her? I didn't even raise my hand, so. Eh?
Hey, young girl. I want to see you. Come here.
Greetings, Your Highness.
What is your name?
My name is Ijoma, daughter of Ichi Nduka.
Tell your father that I want to see him.
Oh, okay, Your Highness. I will.
I want us to talk.
Talk about what?
Just give me audience.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. So, I've been meaning to ask you, what exactly are you doing with that low life? Huh? I mean, it's demeaning. You have a class. You work in the palace, you're a big boy. You shouldn't be rolling with that cheap thing, that dirty thing. Anyway, I'm not here to waste much of your time, but I have a proposal for you. I mean, I think you're lucky. You're a lucky guy because I love you. And that's for a fact. Maisie, I want us to date. What am I even saying? I want you to get married to me. And by so doing, my father is going to hand over the company to us. We're going to be rich. Do whatever we want to do with the money. So, what's your take?
I told you I have someone, right?
Forget about her. I just listed the benefits of getting married to me.
Do you have a hearing problem? I told you I'm with someone else.
You're not left with much of a choice here.
Money is not everything.
Money is everything. Maisie, you're going to get married to me. And we're going to take over my father's company together. I love you. And that's the truth. It's either my way or no way at all. Come on, give me a hug. Come on, give me a hug.
So, why would you go want to see me?
Papa, I don't know. He saw me when Mezie was seeing me off. He called me and asked me to tell my father to come and see him. He didn't say any other thing. I don't know.
Ijoma, are you sure that since you started going to that palace, you have never done anything wrong? Because from the existence of the king, he has never sent for me. I am not his cabinet member or no. So why would Igwe send for me?
Papa, you like worrying yourself over nothing. I just told you now. I didn't commit anything. I don't know. Why not go and answer your call first? Now I know why he's calling you. Mama, Papa, I just go back because I'm tired. I need to rest.
I should go answer my call.
It's
okay. Just pray that you have not done anything wrong there, because I will deny you.
I don't know what I'm going to do. This is a difficult situation. If I refuse to marry Mezie, I am sure my sister will. And all my father's assets will be given to her. No. I won't let that happen. I am not going to fail my father. Not for anything in this world. I can't afford to be left with nothing. I can't.
Ichendoka, I sent for you. You may be wondering why I sent for you when your daughter said that, because it has never happened before.
Your Majesty, to be honest with you, I was so confused and surprised when my daughter came back and told me that the Igwe wanted to see me. I was like, this one Igwe is sending for me. I hope my daughter has not committed anything in this palace since she started coming here to say that to her boyfriend. Well, I don't even know what they're doing.
Well, Ndoka, it is because of your daughter's relationship with Mezie that made me call for you.
I said it. I said it. Your Majesty, please, don't be offended. Did my daughter sleep with that boy in this palace? Because him and Aqua are married. Did she sleep with the boy in this palace? Please. What did she do?
I don't know what you're talking about. Your daughter did not do such thing. The reason I called you here is because I want us to talk like adult statesmen. Everyone in this palace is aware that your daughter is in love with Mezie. And if you continue to let them be and finally get married, it will be like a blind person leading a blind person that will definitely fall inside the pit. I want us to talk. Your daughter is in love with Mezie. And your daughter is going so far in this land. But however, my daughter's supposedly husband is in abroad. I want us to do exchange. I want my supposed son-in-law who stays abroad to come down and marry your daughter, Ijoma, while my daughter will marry Mezie. And when this happens, your family will be swimming in money because that my supposed son-in-law will take your daughter abroad. If too you want to be in abroad, he will do that too. That's the reason I call you here. Tit for tat.
Your Majesty, please. If I can hear you clearly, you said your supposed son-in-law will now marry my daughter.
Exactly.
So, how possible could that be?
The possibility of that is here. This is 8 million naira. I want you to take this money, open it, buy some expensive gifts for your daughter, give her cash from this money. Buy clothing, expensive ornaments, fascinators, everything that a woman would need, buy from this money. And she will not have any option than to accept and listen to you.
Wait. Your Majesty, you mean this money is for me? I should go home with this bag of money. 8 million naira.
Affirmative.
It's okay. Your Majesty, I have heard you. I have heard you. It's a welcome idea. It's a welcome idea. But there's a problem. That my daughter is very, very stubborn. I don't know how she will feel about this. But no, there's no problem. I will handle it. Let me get home first. I will handle it.
The power of money is always there. Show her this money. Tell her that this money belongs to you and her. She will have no option than to listen when you talk.
Igwe! Don't worry. I will handle it. Hey, my daughter. I will go. See? I will go. I hear. This is Brazilian hair. You can African hair. And all this money, they are all for you. Hey.
So, Papa, this is the reason why Igwe invited you to the palace. So I can leave my meze for his daughter to marry. Why can't his daughter wait for her own abroad husband? Papa, why my meze? Eh? It will not work, oh. Papa, I'm very disappointed at you. So Igwe gave you all this things. Papa, go back to the Igwe and tell him that I said, over my dead body, will I allow his daughter marry my meze? It will not happen.
Ijoma, can I ask you something?
Papa, Ajunam Biko. Ajunam, I'm not interested. Buru Bujeri Igwe. I don't want all these things.
You mean you don't want to travel abroad?
Meze will take me there when the time comes.
But Meze doesn't have money.
Papa, when I go, ta genwechi. Because Meze will still have money for me.
So you mean you are not taking any of these things?
Papa, Buru Bujeri Igwe. Bujeri Achorom.
My Brazilian hair.
Hold I believe I made myself clear in all the analysis I've made so far. I want to further give you more insight, just in case you are not seeing the bigger picture. If your son finally marries my daughter, he automatically becomes the managing director of all my conglomerates and establishments. I have business all over the world, and he is going to be the #1 director. And look at it the other way around. And if you allow your son to marry that poor girl, it becomes a vicious circle. Poverty will keep moving from one corner to another in your family line. And I know what may be bugging your mind is the expenditures lining up. But I want to promise you this, here and now, that every expenses that is going to be done from the traditional wedding to white wedding, I will foot the bill. You have nothing to worry about.
Your Majesty, I have heard you.
Good.
I want to thank you so much for remembering my family. Thank you very much, Your Majesty.
No, it's nothing. Nothing.
Your Majesty, you and I know that Mezi is an adult.
I agree.
And he is capable of making his own decisions. I want to assure you that I will talk to him. And then let me know what it is and I'll get back to you.
No, he has no choice whatsoever. Hold on a second. He has no choice. This is money. I want you to take this money, buy anything you want, make yourself happy. And if you need more, do not hesitate to call me. Take it.
Not now, Your Majesty. Like I've told you, I will discuss with him. And then I will know his decisions and get back to you.
Olak, this is just a way of showing magnanimity. His money, nothing but money. I said, use this money, buy whatever thing that suits your heart. And if you need more money, you call on me.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Like I said, I will discuss with my son and get back to you. I think I should be on my way now.
I want to have a word with you.
But I'm here now. I've been standing in front of you. You're not saying anything.
I don't want to impose this proposal on you. Because I like you.
Hmm?
I know you are a sweet man. My dad suggests we get married to preserve his company. He believes you're a good man too. Honestly, I know we're not deeply in love yet, but I care about you. And I don't want you to turn me down.
Did you forget I have a girlfriend?
Of course.
So,
Ijoma.
yes, so what are we supposed to do about that?
I'm not a selfish woman. I'm not stupid. So we'll find a way to sort her out.
Sort her out?
Yes.
How do you mean sort her out?
Money. We'll give her, we'll make her life comfortable.
Okay, give her money and make her life comfortable. Eh?
Yes.
And what else?
Nobody says no to money.
Okay, nobody says no to money.
Yeah.
No, because you think everybody likes money.
Yeah, money controls the world.
Money controls the world.
Yeah.
Okay. And you think some people can live with money?
Yes.
And some people cannot live without money?
Yes.
Okay.
She can't live with you if you don't have money. Yes. Okay, just... I will let you think about it. Alright?
So you think I'm going to leave my girlfriend now and she's going to leave me because you want to offer her money? Some people can live without money. I don't think that girl can survive in this world without me. Don't you understand?
She can't survive in this world if you don't have money to take care of her. Let's not argue on this. Please think about it. I like you. And you like me too. But we're not in love with each other yet. But with time we can build it. Okay?
With time we can build it.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. Where are you going? What are you trying to do? Huh?
Sorry.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Were you trying to kiss me? Did I just mentioned that I have a girlfriend and she cannot live without me and you're coming to kiss me.
And you're going to think about it and give me a positive answer. Right?
Have you gotten back to your senses?
I've always been with my senses.
Are you sure?
Yeah. You can go.
Love was sweeter. On worry fake love was upon say man begin get money. We still they fight for love. Love was sweeter. On worry fake love was upon say man begin get money. We still they fight for love. Nyago bigi, nyamo bigi. Ondali kwetia onaso. Nyamo bigi, nyago bigi. Ondali kwetia onaso. Love is everything. Love is a peace of mind. Everybody they hustle for this love because money no fit buy a love. Everybody they hustle for this love because money no fit buy a love.
Mandy, I saw Meze coming out of your room. What was he here for?
My room or yours?
Oh, please, come on, cut the drama. What was he here for?
I am glad you acknowledge that this is my room. What business is it of yours? What anyone comes here to do? You know, you have your space, and yet you still try to control mine. Hell no. No, girl. Now let me warn you. Do not enter my room again without my permission. I value my space, and I expect that boundary to be respected. As for Mezie, I strongly advise you to stay away from him. Alright? Let us conduct ourselves with dignity. so that we may not regret the actions we take.
You lose, bitch. You are so shameless.
Don't you think about it. How dare you? What do you think you want to do? Lay your hand on me? Girl, you must be mad. Now let me warn you. Control yourself. Put yourself in chain. Silly girl. Get out of my room.
Mandy, listen, let me tell you. Seeing yourself as Mezia's wife-to-be is as good as seeing your grave. And you will not be alive to witness that day. It is not a threat. It's a promise.
Mezia, why are you in such terrible haste? What are you doing?
I'm just searching for a document, sir.
How important is the document?
Some of my school documents. I just want to be sure that I have them here.
How did you get this?
Sir? Get what?
This woman, do you know her?
Oh, that's my auntie.
Where can I find her?
Sir? My auntie?
Yes.
She must be in her house.
It's okay.
So why are you looking for my auntie?
No, it's okay. Take time. You will find your document. You may have misplaced it somewhere. I will talk to you soon. Just take your time, okay?
Why is he looking for her?
When Meze came back here and told me the story of how the Igwe saw the picture and wanted to see, I was shocked and demanded to see you. But trust Meze now, he stopped the Igwe and said he wanted to see me first to know exactly what is happening. That's why we sent for you to come.
You mean immediately the Igwe saw the picture, he requested to see me?
Auntie, I'm not making up stories now. I'm not making up stories. That's exactly what happened.
And where did you get the picture?
Where I got the picture?
Yes.
I gave it to him to keep.
And I kept it very well.
Meze,
Mama?
there's something I want to tell you.
Okay.
There's a reason I gave you that picture to keep.
And I kept it very well.
Your aunt is sitting beside me here. She's your mother.
Yes, I'm your mother.
And the young man in that picture is the Igwe, your father.
Yeah, it's true.
understand my situation.
My uncle that I was living with wouldn't have accepted that I got you pregnant. My family is high disciplined. My father, being who he is as a king, would have denied me everything, not minding that I am his only son. I'm so sorry.
You would have visited me at the hospital. Visiting me at the hospital will not make your uncle to know anything, because I know everything. You abandoned us. You never asked of us. You didn't care to know.
I did, honestly. I ran into the friend you were living with 3 years ago and I asked after you. The only thing she said is that you were married and she don't know your whereabouts. And then I got to see the picture from Missy. I started asking questions. That's how we got here.
Dad,
Yes.
you called.
Yes. Do you know this woman?
No, I don't know her.
That is Missy's mother.
Dad, is this a prank? What about the other woman?
This is the real mother. So, and he's your brother, Missy.
Daddy, you never told us we had a brother. Why?
That is past. And part of my past that you people didn't know about, but we got to that past. I will talk about it later, okay? All that matters is that my son is here.
Yes, Daddy, you called.
Yes. Missy here is your brother.
What?
So, that's my father.
Yes.
And you're my mother?
Yes, I'm your mother. He is your father. He was the man that abandoned us at the hospital.
A mechanic? A brother?
Ada, please, can you stop now? Not intentional. We will have all this sorted out. Please, call the guards. They should bring
Daddy.
Monsieur? Monsieur? Monsieur?
Monsieur!
Daddy, are you sure about that?
Yes.
If I not no na this is your destiny can never be denied. Afufu wakiga tadebe iwe chake. Sometimes if I not no na this is your destiny can never be denied. Afufu wakiga tadebe iwe chake. Sometimes if I not no na this is your destiny can never be denied.
You see? Have you seen your life?
Sometimes if I
you see? See, let me tell you, even if you cry from now till 10 years to come, it will not change anything. I told you earlier, I want you earlier to leave that stupid useless boss drive alone. You said no. If not him, you will die. Now he has seen money and up to I'm marrying one of the West daughters. And you are here crying. You see your life? You see your life? See, if you have changed your mind, I will tell my friend to search for his son to come and perform all your marriage rites and take you home, take you to abroad. You go there and live a nice life, a better life. And you're here crying because of that useless boy, Ochaka Omaka. Because one of our child will tell the combos on. If you have changed your mind, fine, I will tell him. You still have the chance.
Papa, I said no. I will never marry that your friend's son. But you know you are the cause of all this. You are the cause of all these things, so.
Me? How? What did I do? What did I do?
Papa, if not that you're so greedy that you gave Maisie that long, big, expensive list, by now he would have been done with my marriage rights before the Igwe and his daughters saw him and took him away from me. In fact, Papa, I'm leaving your house for you.
I am greedy because I was fighting for my rights. Come on, you are living there alone in this house. See, you better go and look for a grown-up girl that will take care of you. Look at this girl.
Sometimes if I not your nuke, no na this one nuka. Your destiny can never be denied. Afufu wakiga tadebe we chake. Sometimes if I not your nuke, no na this one nuka. Your destiny can never be denied. Afufu wakiga tadebe we chake. Sometimes if I not your nuke, no na this one nuka. Your destiny can never be denied. I can't believe this is possible in this life. I forgot my work with her. Isi wenza defu namba manja. I can't believe this is possible in this life. Man, I forgot my work with her. Isi wenza defu namba manja. I can't believe this is possible in this life. I've seen
You see? Look at him. He's not just like a prince because he has married one of the Igwe's daughter. Look at him. He adopted you and married one of the Igwe's daughter. Look at him. He's not a prince. Look at him. Look at him and you're here crying. The person who said if not him, you will die. Look at him. He's just like a prince because he has married one of the Igwe's daughter.
Mezie, why are you dressed like a prince? Oh, you have finally married Princess Mandy, right? Then what are you doing here? Mezie, what are you doing here? You're here to mock me? Mezie, after everything we've been through, so this is how you want to pay me back? Mama, you too? No problem, God is watching all of you people, no problem.
Come and do what? You are going. He asked you to come and they are going. Look at this girl.
There's nothing to worry about. I didn't get married to anyone. It's a long story, and I don't know how to express myself. You must know the truth. Digwe is my father. And a while ago, I realized that she's my mother.
And his mother.
Ulaku, is that you?
No, it's true.
I don't understand. What do you mean by Digwe is your father and she is your mother? What about Mama Ulako?
It's okay, my daughter. What Mezie, my son, the prince, said is true.
Sometimes, if I not your nuke, no na this one nuka. Your destiny can never be denied. Afufu wakiga tadebe we chake. Sometimes, if I not your nuke, no na this one nuka. Your destiny can never be denied.
Your Majesty. Hi. Igwe, do you know that wonders, they say, shall never end? Who will believe in this whole wide world that Mezie is your son? And the prince for that matter. A common mechanic and the driver in the palace. Now the prince of this great kingdom. Eh? Hi! Do you know that the first time he came to my house and they say this? I said, are they mad? Sorry, I'm not saying that our prince is mad. I am just telling you how, Igwe. Hi!
I am overwhelmed too. At least I can now beat my chest and say that my kingdom lives forever. I have a son now who will take over the kingdom and take over my company.
Hey, look at them coming. Look at them coming. Hi! Adam Wai Adobodo Ibo. Adobodo Ibo. Hi! Please, Mezie. Nalomia. Hi.
When do we start the traditional rites for
You're
the
right.
marriage rites. Yeah.
You're right. So that will be the next step for market day.
Igwe, wait, I have something to say before you can proceed. In terms of coming to my house to perform my daughter's marriage rites, the bride price, I dash you. Don't pay the bride price. I dash you the bride price.
No. There is tradition. We must follow tradition.
The price.
Can we trust you now?
We have trusted.
Can we trust
Hey!
you? Because he's very unpredictable.
Don't worry, I dash you my daughter. Look at that, she's a very beautiful girl. Press up to show you that I can be trusted. My queen, my place.
This is the second time you are trusted.
I can do it 10 times, 20 times, even 100 times. At once I'm an in-law to the royal family. Look at my daughter, baby, look at her smiling. Even my go check with I will settle that one.
Sometimes if I not your no na this is what your destiny can never be denied. Afufu wakiga tadebe we chake. Sometimes if I not your no na this is what your destiny can never be denied. Afufu wakiga tadebe we chake. Sometimes if I not your no na this is what your destiny can never be denied. Afufu wakiga tadebe we chake. Sometimes if I not your no na this is what your destiny can never be denied. Afufu wakiga tadebe we chake. I can't believe this is possible in this life. Afugo muwekweta isi wenza defu namba manja. I can't believe this is possible in this life. Man afugo muwekweta isi wenza defu